I would like it. I would like all the comments. You are there joking. Some of you carry your bag. You went to a guy's house. Your goal was to smash. You are aware that if I just stay in his house, at least 3 days, I'll have this confirmed smashing. Then you are telling me that must we see somebody's nakedness? Is it compulsory? You went to the swimming pool. You pulled off. Did you wear agbada in the swimming pool? The worst part is some of you go to the gym. Say, I'm a virgin. You wear something that's so tight. All your lines on your vagina is showing. If you have a big clitoris, it's even showing. You did not pad it, you did not do anything. Went somewhere today. I will not give too much details. I'm a girl, fine girl. She's my connection, not even acquaintance. And she was making a video call, talking with a man. I'm like, oh, this girl's fine girl now. Fine girl, when I mean fine girl, head to toe. From yeah, the girl fine. In less than 3 minutes, she's calling another guy. I'm like, Mama mia. While I was still thinking, she called another guy. I'm like, oh shit, Bado. This guy called like 5 guys. All of them answered. She greeted them, said, come and spoil me now, come and spoil me now. Be deceiving yourself. Listen, this is the simple reason. This thing I'm saying now. This is the simple reason bad girls get married on time before good girls. Because bad girls are doing all the right things. The only thing that they are doing bad is the sex and money that they are after. They are available, they are accessible, they find out what the man wants, give you whatever I want, even though the goal is to collect money. The money is akame. Do you understand? We find out. The other day we were watching a video where a girl was analyzing what a side chick does. And I said that married men now, married women will not see this one and carry this template and go and use for their husband. No. And you're crying while you have lost yourself to a side chick. In fact, this particular girl I was talking about was telling a married man that she should be his, is he a side wife or how did he even call itself? He's away, the guy's married. I'm like, what? There are crazy things happening, brothers and sisters. We have, thank God, I've been looking for what to use so that it will be easier. I found one word now, or I found one phrase. We have heard. That's the phrase that we're using. We have heard. We have heard of people that find girls, but they have issues with their breasts. It may not be their fault. Are you willing to marry her like that? Let me tell you a story. There was one girl, beautiful girl, real life story. But she was promiscuous at a younger age. She was so promiscuous that she was heavily sick. In the process of curing her, the doctor now said, we will need to remove your womb so you'll not be able to give birth. That's the only way you will survive. She signed and agreed, and they removed her womb, bro. And guess what? She's now on fire for God. Manta, Lasita. All of you that used to go and write on TikTok. Hello, guys. Hello, fine boy. Before you chat me up, this is how I sound. Sound your own now. Don't use another person's voice. Sound your own. Let's hear how you really sound. Don't use on. Is it not? Is that not how you used to sound? Is it Makarabasha you sound? You are using another person's voice to say this is how sound. Let's hear your own. Sound your own. Sound your own. Go and record yourself speaking real tongues. Not you just put it for sake. Let somebody record you when you are really praying in church or at home. Let's put it on. Like, let's see how your tongues are. She's now on fire for God.